This is my 2017 Dodge Grand Caravan SXT, which I traded for my Ram Pro Master van last January. It's more convenient and has a much lower monthly payment than my previous van. I converted this minivan into a tiny home so I could have a place to live with all the basic necessities to stay comfortable. Now I can do DoorDash and Uber Eats more easily. And I have the flexibility to stealth camp even in residential areas. If you are looking for something simple and comfortable, this is the ideal van. I bought this hideaway bed from Amazon so that Una can go inside when it's hot. I keep storage for my cat's litter and food. I also store my Mr. Body heater and my gym bag there so that I can easily grab them when needed. I made this side of the van useful to store my folding chair, foldable stove, and a lantern. I also made my own chopping board. I also installed a small shelf for storing cooking items. I built a folding table to put the stove on. I also store my camping folding table, my windscreen for my stove, on this driver's side, I don't really store too much. I just store some of my tripods here, and I keep different kinds of hand sanitizers here. And now, welcome to my tiny home on wheels. I hang my slippers here to grab them easily. An easy access to grab my hats, my purses, and I have this tiny hat for Una. This cabinet serves a dual purpose. It stores both my TV and a 12-volt fridge. I hang my classic Nintendo game here as a reminder to play my favorite game, Galaga. I had some leftover wallpaper, so I use it here. This small basket is where I store all my remotes and small other things. This is where I store all my prescriptions and supplements. This is a battery-operated backlight with remote that changes colors. I have one here in my living room and one in my bedroom and also one underneath the bed. I added a shelf to store my spices, my coffee, sugar, and my rice coffee. I have two USB lanterns and they are dimmable. I have here a small bamboo chopping board, a steel plate for my coffee pot, and a mini stove. The drainage works, but I'm still figuring out how to get water to come out of the faucet. I plan to create a hole underneath here and insert a thin hose, and it should work. I just hang my paper towel here. I flatten the end part of the curtain rod and insert to this molding. This area stores my mocha espresso pot, my facial tissue, my utensils, and all my personal hygiene stuff. This is my bedroom, and I call it my tiny cocoon. I love my bed, especially that I have these curtains, but of course it's still hard for me to stretch out because of my limited space. I added this pull-out slat bed, but since I have a litter box underneath the bed, it's difficult and hard for me to pull it out because the litter box is blocking the way. I added wallpaper to my chest closet to add a bit of a design to my bedroom. On top of my closet is my makeup kit, the books boxes. This book box is where I store all my clips, my headbands, and ponytails. This box is where I store my notebook, my books, and my laptop, so that when I study, I have it all handy. I have also a battery operated fireplace. Underneath the bed is Una's room and slash storage. She have a scratcher in her bed and also her bowls. She also have her litter box here so that it's all in one place and easier for her. So that's all about it, and I hope that you do enjoy the video. You got inspired of my minivan build. If you are not subscribed here yet and you want to follow along my journey, please make sure to hit the subscribe button. I hope you'll follow along because I have a lot of adventures that I will be doing. Just remember that we all can do it if we are just willing. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.